Yo guys, what's up? In today's video, we are gonna be exploding lobbies with an RPG in Animal Company. So yeah, let's get into the video. And it's gonna be a little weird for me because I'm on quest 3 and I usually play on quest 2, but I just got this quest 3 set up, so yeah, let's go. Alright, so I think my strat is I'm gonna go up water tower. Shout out to Moon.
Okay.
No, Favorite is something is dark blue and pink. He's in Galaxy. Galaxy is dark and just white dark. That is
Do you
Galaxy.
see red? Yeah, I think you see red because it's probably glitched.
No, Galaxy is not purple. Purple and pink is not Galaxy.
Yeah, somebody gonna
Bro,
get turned off the
Galaxy
That's not
items
purple
are
and pink. It's
Galaxy
yellow
items.
Galaxy.
Galaxy is like just rainbow. Whenever you move it, changes through color. No, Galaxy,
I know
bro.
it's
I thought
It's
why
talking
do
about
you guys call purple and pink thing Galaxy? Galaxy is like space, but farther away.
Yo, can
That
you
is
please
Galaxy.
give me one of those?
That is what Galaxy.
Bro, go into the
You have
Discord.
two
greens. You have two greens.
I'll
give you a blue one.
Like,
Yeah, this is Galaxy.
You
that's just dark blue. That's just dark blue.
But how do I know if you're gonna scam? I'm coming.
Space, but it's far away. It looks like space. Galaxy is space, but farther away.
Follow my finger.
Galaxy is black and white dots. That's Galaxy, not purple.
3.
Yeah, Galaxy. Galaxy is
Go,
different.
chat.
It's not the space.
Do it again. Do it again.
Dots.
Alright, 3 of these.
It's not funny, dude.
Oh my
Stop
God.
doing that.
3 of
It's
these.
annoying. People hate this.
3 of these.
Alright, so let's go. These kids aren't asking me what's coming from. Oh, why does a little bird think he can hide? Is he dead? Kaboom! Hey,
Black people. I hate black people.
it's like,
I hate black people. I hate black.
oh no, I thought that was like a guy, but it's
You're not allowed to see. On my feet.
damn, that's crazy. Barely said freedom of speech. Oh, spoiler, bonus shot, for real. If somebody comes up there, they're gonna see me and kill me, so only bad sign. Mint.
I am Steve.
They saw me. Oh, they definitely saw me, sure. Chat, I'm on it, chat. I did actually not know this person, but, you know. So this.
I don't know, somebody died down here.
I'm a fly.
Oh, let's get the kid.
I just
Oh, bet.
shut it down.
So they kill that giant fire.
Explosive just went flying right now.
Oh! Please don't hit him.
I can't get here. Hey, son, I'm gonna get you hot.
Yep. ammo. Let's go over here. It's so easy for people to spot me. So I'm gonna hide in this bush over here.
Stay still, everyone stay still. If you know the trading area, it's no longer a trading area.
I got him,
It
I
used to be a
got him.
trading area, but now it's where the Reds walk to kill. Everyone stay. Son, I got again. People stay. Where are you? Son, you kill me. Kill the spider. Son, I'm gonna make it live. Stay still, please. Stay still. Son? And where are you? Son, I found the person that's not killing me. He shot kill me again. I got one. Alright, son, I'm 18.
Oh my god.
Damn, he killed me.
Son,
Hey, I got like 15 kills though, chat.
yeah?
Why did the spider go off the mine?
Son, there's this person that keeps trying to kill me.
Chat.
Oh.
Wait.
What's up?
Bomba claw.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. See y'all next time. Peace.